Welcome to Talk Smart English. Today, we will explore a power that already exists within you, the power of positive thinking. Over the next 3 hours, you'll learn how your thoughts shape your reality, how positivity impacts your mind and body, and how to develop habits that transform your life. This journey is about understanding, practicing, and internalizing positivity in ways that are meaningful and practical. Let's begin. Positive thinking is more than just smiling when life gets difficult. It is a mindset, a lens through which you interpret the world. While optimism focuses on hoping for the best, positive thinking focuses on solutions, on learning, and on embracing opportunities even in the face of challenges. Every thought you have sends signals to your brain, your body, and ultimately your behavior. It is a ripple effect. Today, you will begin to understand how that ripple can turn into waves of transformation. Let's start with a simple exercise. Close your eyes for a moment, take a deep breath, and reflect on a recent challenge you faced. Notice how your thoughts responded. Did you focus on the problem, or did you focus on finding a solution? This is the first step, awareness of your thought patterns. Without awareness, change is difficult. With awareness, you have choice. Science has proven that your mind is incredibly powerful. When you think positively, your brain releases neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, chemicals that improve your mood, reduce stress, and enhance cognitive function. Your body responds too. Studies show that positive thinkers often have stronger immune systems, lower blood pressure, and better overall health. In other words, thinking positively is not just a psychological tool, it is a physiological advantage. But this is not automatic. It is a practice. Just as you would exercise a muscle to strengthen it, you must exercise your mind to cultivate positivity. Start by noticing negative self-talk. Every time a thought like, "I can't do this," or "this is too hard" arises, pause. Replace it with a constructive thought. For example, "I will find a solution," or "this is an opportunity to learn." With repetition, your brain begins to internalize these patterns. Now let's consider the emotional benefits of positive thinking. When you approach life with an optimistic mindset, you experience less anxiety, more joy, and greater emotional stability. Challenges no longer feel insurmountable. Instead, they become opportunities for growth. People with positive mindsets tend to recover faster from setbacks because their thoughts are focused on solutions and lessons rather than failures. Think of someone you admire, perhaps a friend, a mentor, or a public figure. Imagine how they might respond to difficulties. Notice the calm, the focus, and the perseverance. That is the power of positive thinking in action. Now, let's explore common barriers. Negative self-talk, stress, and challenging environments can limit your ability to think positively. Life will always present obstacles, and negative thoughts are natural. But here is the key. Negativity is a habit, not a destiny. When you recognize it, you can redirect it. Each time you consciously shift a negative thought to a positive one, you strengthen your mind and your resilience. Let's try a small exercise. Take a moment to recall a recent situation that frustrated you. Now, instead of dwelling on the problem, ask yourself, what is one solution or lesson I can take from this? Hold that thought and feel the shift in your perspective. This is a simple yet profound technique to train your mind. Another powerful method is gratitude. Gratitude transforms your focus from what is lacking to what is abundant. Each morning, take a moment to list 3 things you are thankful for. These do not need to be extraordinary. They can be as simple as a warm cup of tea, a smile from a friend, or a moment of quiet. By consistently practicing gratitude, you rewire your brain to notice positivity, reinforcing an optimistic mindset naturally. Visualization is another tool. Imagine your goals as if they have already been achieved. Picture yourself succeeding, handling challenges with confidence, and feeling fulfilled. This practice trains your brain to align your actions with your positive expectations. By combining awareness, gratitude, and visualization, you begin to lay a strong foundation for positive thinking. In the next hour, we will explore deeper techniques, real-life stories, and exercises that will strengthen this mindset even further. Thank you for spending this time with Talk Smart English. Remember, your mind is your most powerful tool. By practicing positive thinking every day, you can transform your thoughts, your actions, and your life. Take what you've learned today, put it into practice, and watch your perspective and your world begin to change. Every step today. Think positive, live positive, and let your mindset shape the life you deserve.